So this is a normal day. 3D printing. We're going to be making some more labels for the products that my partner sells. And this is a Lenovo PC that's threw a hissy fit the other day. This is actually the PC that I use for controlling the plasma table. It's got Path Pilot on, and basically I was swapping the drive over with this PC over here, which is the CAD PC out of the workshop office, and obviously I managed to fix the other one, so it's now back. So I'm having to swap them back again. The good news is I'm not going to lose a CAD PC in here. But after all that, the PC in the corner is my old office PC, which is now the CAD PC anyways.